In this session, we will learn the difference between countable and uncountable nouns, and when to use fewer and less correctly.
Wow, there are less apples on the shelf today.
Actually, Max, you mean fewer.
Wait, what? But aren't they the same?
Not exactly. Apples can be counted, so you use fewer, not less. If you can count it like apples, you say fewer. If you can't count it like water or air, you say less.
Looks like there's less milk today.
That's right, because milk is uncountable. You can't say fewer here. Good job.
I think I'm getting the hang of this. There are less bags of chips than last time.
Oops, remember Max, you can count bags of chips, so it's fewer, not less.
Right. Fewer bags of chips. There are fewer items in our cart than usual.
Exactly. Now you've got it.
From now on, I'll never mix up less and fewer again.
Glad to hear it, Max.
Remember, folks, if you can count it like apples, books, or pencils, use fewer. If it's something you can't count, like milk, air, or happiness, use less. That's the simple rule.